We're out here at the Planet Fitness, lining it up so that we can go ahead and pull it behind the Escalade. How are we feeling, Davy Drake?
I'm good.
Feeling good? Morella looks cozy. You're gonna be real cold. Mr. Drake, how you feeling, dog? All right, luxurious blow up. Here we go. We're still filming. All right, professional rope tire and also creative outside the box thinker. What are you doing? Are you filming me or what are you doing?
Yep.
Okay, listen, don't be getting distracted. No ADHD allowed on this film here. We're outside of Planet Fitness. We're not getting any workouts in today, but we are going to use a workout piece of equipment, okay? And probably flawed in its idea.
It needs a little more air, honestly.
It's a good thing because it'll have a little more flex to it, so when we hit the curves, you still filming, right? What you do, you pop that window up, dog. Woo! That's what you...
Hit the paddle. You ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
They're trying to get closer. Oh, they hit the curve.
Don't be in that ice, Drake.
Why we got an air mattress tied to the Escalade?
Let's ride! I'll tell you what, boy, if you get one of them curves, you're gonna be hurting.